Hey guys, it's Tony from the Code Guys and Zorilla Games, and I would like to continue the series of how to develop a game or game design 101. And today I'm going to be talking about project management and show you what we've done with our game launch as far as the specifications for the game. We have created a wiki, as you can see here. Zorilla Games logo is in the right corner, and the name of our game is in the wiki now. It's tentatively Chibi World Domination, and it's a game about small collectible robots that you can battle and you can raise and build and have synthesized parts for. So we've built weapon systems, and here's some of the weapons. I don't want to. A lot of this is still kind of. There's a non-disclosure agreement that I have, so I can't really talk about some of it. But we have battleground information, and basically I fleshed out the entire game in a wiki that the development team can use to keep track of, and that's really important when you're building a game, is that you document it in some sort of project management system. This wiki is basically our first step to assigning tasks. Here's some development tasks. And I just put the first one out for the developers. It's write the beacon code that will communicate from the game server to the actual robots when they're on the playfield. So it's easy to keep track of things if you put them into a wiki. The design ideas are all broken down to, I can't really click on any of these because it's kind of not ready for the public yet. We're so sure that this game is going to be big that we really don't want to release it to the public until we have our game developed to the point that we can start a beta. So I will give you, I will show you bits and pieces of the game as it's being developed, but I can't show you the details. I guess I can show you the weapons. The weapons: machine guns, jammers, replicators, lasers, mines, harvesters, artifact probes, force fields, tower of defense bots, and bots that will upload viruses that have damage over time, stuns, and will shut down other robots for N amount, N being the number of seconds or the rounds in the game. So there's a little bit of insight into what we've been working on. The game is in specification mode right now in the life cycle. We are the wiki is complete. The first true developer has signed on. The 3D art has been the concept art has started. So we're still really green as far as where we are in the development cycle, but I wanted to keep you updated as to what we're doing. And as you can see, all of these, we had probably 50 pages of notes that have turned into this wiki, so it's pretty cool. I'm really excited, and some of the ideas that got fleshed out are really different and fun, and it's going to be a lot of fun trying to figure out how we're going to bring these ideas from conception to reality. And I spent pretty much all day just trying to come up with some code that will control certain robots, weapon systems, and how do we make it to where one robot on your battle group will actually upload a virus to another robot, and that virus will stun them or shut them down or drain their HP. So it's pretty exciting. This is going to be a real fun game. We're actually probably going to build a small board game that I will try to film that will actually help us kind of route out some of the AI. In other words, you will have a like a block on a piece of paper, and you will move just like you would in the code. So we're taking all sorts of avenues as far as fleshing this game out to where it's balanced, and the developers know what they face as far as the complexity, because we have some pretty sophisticated weapon systems, and the robots. Here I can probably show you a little bit about the robots. Yeah, I don't know how much I can go into this, but we basically have about 12 types of robots that you can build and deploy on the battlefield, and one of them being sort of like the commander system or the hub, and that the code that goes behind writing that one robot that basically manages all your other robots is kind of problematic. So we're going to have to break that down into tiny little pieces, and that's what I'll show you as we move forward, is how the development team broke those tasks out to something manageable, because when you're writing a game, that's really what you have to do. You have to break things down to manageable pieces. So an update on the platforms that we've decided on: we will be piloting in Second Life, and we will be fully developing in XNA or Xbox Live with Game Studio 4, I think. Don't know what the time frame is for Phase 1 and Phase 2, but it's definitely going to be something that if you don't have a Second Life account, you're going to want to stand one up just for this game, because it's going to be something that's different than anything you've seen. So thanks for watching this update. I will plan to do 1 or 2 a week until we get the beta out. So this is Tony from the Code Guys and Zorilla Games, updating you on our game's development status. And take care. Have a great day.